everyone, I'm Shantini Ghosh and today I'm going to share some fantastic news with all of you lovely people who want to learn professional makeup, beauty, hair, nail art, grooming or cosmetology course, etc. Winner of Global Business Award for Best Beauty School, accredited by CPD London and certified by Brit Qualis London, I bring to you UK International Beauty School, which is located in Delhi NCR, Noida at C2, Sector 2, providing international certified courses in different blocks of beauty industry, ranging from nails to hair to makeup, etc. You name it and they have it. They have the best and experienced trainers and also promises to give you 100% job placement after finishing the course. So get yourself registered today and start your career with UKIBS. Use my code for special discount. My code is SYG02. So hurry up and all the very best. Cheers.